Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about properties of triangles, part 2. So already part 1 is over. Now part 2. After that, heights and distance. Okay, students. After completion of the properties of triangles, we will discuss some more competitive bits related to part 1 and part 2. Okay, students. Right now, in circle and X circle. Okay, students, the first one in a triangle ABC, the small r equal to delta by s and small r equal to s minus a into tan a by 2, s minus b into tan b by 2. Now students, in a triangle ABC, the small r equal to delta by s and r equal to s minus a into tan a by 2, s minus b into tan b by 2, s minus c into tan c by 2. After that, small r equal to a upon tan b by 2 plus tan c by 2, b upon, sorry students, a upon cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2. This is cot c by 2 plus cot a by 2, c upon cot a by 2 plus cot b by 2. And the small r is the 4r sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. My dear students, what we observed here, the small r, all formulas are related to the small r. Here the in radius is small r, the x radius are denoted by r1 comma r2 comma r3 are the x radii. The in radius is the small r. So my dear students, first we are going to discuss about in circle, after then X circle. So the first is the students, we are going to discuss about the in circle. In a triangle ABC, my dear students, if a circle touch the three sides, if a circle touch the three sides internally, is it clear? What is the students? If the circle touch the three sides internally, then it is called in circle. What is the students? If the circle touch the three sides internally, then it is called in circle. So here this is called in circle. We have to know that I is called the in center. It is the point of intersection of the internal angular bisectors. My dear students, this is the one of the angular bisector. This is the another angular bisector. This is the third angular bisector. Is it clear, students? The point of intersection of the angular bisectors is called in center. Dear students, this is what A, this is B, this is C. Okay. Now, dear students, now we saw that the small r equal to delta by s. We have to know that the small a is the length of the side BC. This is the small b. This is what? Small c. Okay, students? My dear students, we know that what is from the diagram? The area of the triangle ABC. The area of the triangle ABC. What is the students? The area of the triangle ABC is the sum of the areas of the three triangles are there. So we can written as the area of the triangle ABC is the area of the triangle BIC. Okay. After that, the area of the triangle CIA. After that, we can take an as area of the triangle CIA. Then what? The area of the triangle is there AIB. This is the students' area of the triangle AIB. So, my dear students, we are taken as the area of the triangle ABC is denoted by delta. What is the students? The area of the triangle denoted by delta. So after that, students, area of the triangle BIC. This is what area of the triangle BIC. We draw the perpendicular. We draw the perpendicular from in center to the opposite side. That is small r. So the area of the triangle BIC is half base into height. Similarly, students, this is also area of the triangle CIA is the half base into height. This is the students of BR, and finally this is of CR. What is the students of CR, half base into height? So which is the common? The triangle of R is the common. Dear student, is there A plus B plus C? So what this is of R into, we have to know that the value of A plus B plus C is the 2s. Dear students, we can take an as RS. Now the small r equal to delta by S. So students, the small r equal to delta by S. This is the small r. The small r equal to delta by S. Okay students, the small r is called the in radius. The in circle means if the circle touch the three sides internally, then it is called in circle. Here, therefore, the in radius, that means the in center is the equidistance to the sides of the triangle. The in radius is denoted by small r. So here what we observed, the area of the triangle ABC is the area of the triangle BIC plus the area of the triangle CIA plus the area of the triangle AIB. So that is of AR, of BR, of CR. Of R is the common, A plus B plus C. That is nothing but 2s. So student, these two are cancelled. Delta, that is R into S. Therefore small r is the delta by S. Okay students, this is the first proof students. So now we are going to discuss about the second one. So remaining proofs are very easy students. The second one is, what is there second one? The small r is, what is there? S minus A tan A by 2. So this is S minus A into tan of A by 2. Dear students, the S minus A we can written as, we have to know that the tan A by 2 is the form S into S minus A. The S minus A is cancelled. Delta by S. Just now we find out this is small r. This is what? Small r. So delta by S is the small r. Similarly, we can prove the small r is S minus B tan B by 2, S minus C tan C by 2. Okay students, right now the third one. A upon, when it is the numerator is there, these are B and C. Numerator is there small b, these are C and A. Numerator is there small c, here denominator is containing angle A and angle B. So students, now the small a by is there cot of B by 2 plus cot of C by 2. This is what? The small a. Cot B by 2, we know that S into S minus B upon delta. Okay students, what is the cot of C by 2? S into S minus C by delta. My dear students, what is the common term in the new denominator? S by delta. So we are taken as this is S minus B plus S minus C. Now students, the A by A into delta, A delta by S. S plus S is nothing but 2S. 2S is the A plus B plus C. BC terms are cancelled, is there A cancel. Now this is the students, the delta by S. What is the delta by S is? The delta by S is nothing but small r. What is the student? The delta by S is the small r. Okay students, now we have to prove that the fourth one. This is small r equal to 4r sin A by 2. What is the students? 4r sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. Now students, is there 4r sin A by 2 into sin of B by 2 into sin of C by 2. My dear students, the 4r, What is the sine a by 2? This is what? S minus b, S minus c upon s into s minus a. What is the sine of b by 2? So student, this is s minus c, s minus a upon, so sorry students, the sine a by 2, s minus b into s minus c by bc. Is there ca? Yes. The sine c by 2 is the students, we can written as s minus a into s minus b upon ab under root of. So dear students, root a into root b into root c, root of abc. That's why this is sine a by 2 is the s minus b into s minus c by bc under root. This is also under root. So we can take whole root. Dear students, s minus b 2 times is there, square and under root cancel. S minus c also 2 times is there, square and under root cancel. Therefore this is s minus a. This is a square, b square, c square. So this is abc. Dear students, everybody know that the area of the triangle delta equal to abc by 4r. What is the students? The delta equal to, we know that in the first part, a delta equal to abc by 4r. Is there abc? abc can be written as 4r into delta. So students, this can be written as the 4r into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c upon 4r delta. Dear students, we are taking into s by s. This is s minus a, s minus b, s minus c upon s into delta. This is what? S into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. This is a delta square upon s into delta. My dear students, is there delta by s? What is there here? Delta cancel, delta by s. Delta by s is the small r. So students, the proofs are not necessary, but all of you by heart these formulas. The small r is delta by s. R is the s minus a tan a by 2 equal to s minus b into tan b by 2, s minus c into tan c by 2. Now the small r equal to a upon cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2, that equal to b upon cot c by 2 plus cot a by 2, that equal to c by cot a by 2 plus cot b by 2. Finally, this is important, the small r is 4r sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. Okay students? Now students, about x circles. We have to know that the x circle means first we have to find x center. So dear student, this is the internal angle of bisector. So this is the students two external angle of bisectors. This is what? Opposite to the A. This is the student small b, this is small c, this is small a. So dear students, a triangle has 3 x circles. 3 x circles. X circle means if the circle touch the 3 sides. If the circle touch the 3 sides externally, if a circle touch the 3 sides externally, then it is called x circle. Here, this is the first x circle. Is there another x circle? This is third one. So, a triangle has 3 x circles, whose centers are denoted by I1. This is opposite to the A. I2 is opposite to the B. I3 is the students opposite to the C. So, my dear students, here this is what students, the area of the triangle ABC. How to write this is area of the triangle ABC. So what is the students? The x circle means if the circle touch the 3 sides externally, then it is called x circle. A triangle has 3 x circles. So the x centers are denoted by I1, I2, I3. Excenter means the point of intersection of the one of the internal angular bisector and the two external angular bisectors is called the excenter. Excenters are denoted by I1 comma I2 comma I3. XRD is denoted by R1 comma R2 comma R3. So students, first we have to find the R1. So how to find the students R1 is? So the area of the, dear students, the area of the triangle ABC. Is there area of the triangle ABC? First we have to find the area of the A1IB. First we can written as the area of the triangle AI1B. What is the students? The area of the triangle AI1B. This is what the area of the triangle AI1B plus, dear students, plus the area of the triangle AI1C. The area of the triangle first AI1B. This is AI1B. After that AI1C minus of the students. The minus of, what is the minus of is there? BI1C. What is the students? First you can write AI1B, AI1C minus of BI1C. The area of the triangle BI1C. Okay students, the area of the triangle ABC is denoted by delta. So students, first you can take AI1B. This is what? AI1B. This is opposite to the C. What is the students? Opposite to the C. So this is height is the R1. So height is the R1, base is the C. CR1 similarly. So AI1C. This is base B R1. BI1C. BI1C is the students. What is there? This is R1. Base is the A. Height is the R1. So students, we can take it as this is the R1. Okay students, of base R1. So we are taking the students BI1C. The area of the triangle BI1C. Base is the A. Height is the R1. So of R1 is the common factor C plus B minus A. This is what? 2S minus 2A. We are taking plus A minus A. So students, of R1 A plus B plus C minus of 2A. So students, the delta equal to half into R1 into A plus B plus C is nothing but 2S minus 2A. What is the students? A plus B plus C is the 2S minus 2A. Now students, we got here the delta equal to R1 into S minus A. R1 into S minus A. Now students, this is what? R1 equal to delta by S minus A. What is the students? R1 equal to delta by S minus A. When we are taking the students, the X circle, suppose this is the internal angular bisector. This is what students? External angular bisector. This is another external angular bisector. This is the I2 is the student. So when we are taking I2, then R2 we got delta by S minus B. Similarly, we can prove R2 equal to delta by S minus B and also R3 equal to delta by S minus C. This is what students? This is the one of the internal angular bisector. So this is the one of the external angular bisector. So students, this is the one of the external angular bisector. So this is the another external angular bisector. This is I3. Now students, this is the I3. This is the third X circle. So here what we observed here, R1 equal to delta by S minus A. Similarly, we can prove R2 equal to delta by S minus B. R3 is the delta by S minus C. Okay students, right now we have to prove that the second one, the R1 is there, S tan A by 2. What is the students? R1 is S tan A by 2. So students, the S tan A by 2. How to prove that S tan A by 2? So my dear students, the S tan A by 2 we can written as delta by S into S minus A. That is the students, SS cancel, delta by S minus A. Just now we saw that the R1 is the delta by S minus A. So students, S tan A by 2 is the R1. Similarly students, is there S minus C into cot of B by 2. Dear students, the S minus C, the cot B by 2 can be written as delta by S minus A into S minus C. These are cancelled. Delta by S minus A is nothing but R1. So is there S minus B cot of, what is the students? Is there S minus C cot B by 2 here? S minus B cot C by 2. So my dear students, how to write this is S minus B. S minus B cot of C by 2. Dear students, the cot C by 2 is the form delta by S minus A into S minus B. These two are cancelled. Again it is R1. So students, the small r1 is S tan A by 2. So similarly students, we can prove, how to prove R2. My dear students, R2 we can prove S tan B by 2. After that students, S minus A cot of C by 2. After that students, S minus C cot of A by 2. Is it clear? The R1 is S tan A by 2, S minus C cot B by 2, S minus B. So SB are there, here CB are there, here BC are there. Dear students, here also AC are there, CA are there. So S2 is the students S tan B by 2, R2 is the S tan B by 2. Similarly students, R3 equal to S tan C by 2. After that S minus A into cot B by 2. After that students, S minus B into cot of A by 2. This is R3. Similarly, we can prove that R2 and R3. So R1 S tan A by 2, R2 S tan B by 2, R3 S tan C by 2. These are very important. But the small r is S minus A tan A by 2, S minus B tan B by 2, S minus C tan C by 2. Okay students, please by heart these formulas. So my dear students, the another one is there, R1 equal to A by, what is there students? A by is there tan of B by 2 plus tan C by 2. Okay students, how to write this is A by, the tan B by 2 can be written as S minus C into S minus A by delta. When you can remove the root in the numerator, undoubtedly is there delta in the denominator. So tan C by 2 is the students S minus A into S minus B by delta. So dear students, delta is the LCM, A delta. What is the common term in the denominator? S minus A is the common. What is the remaining? S minus C is the remaining S minus B. Dear students, A delta upon S plus S, 2S. 2S is nothing but A plus B plus C. BC are cancelled. Now students, the S minus A equal to here S plus S 2S, BC are cancelled. The remaining is A. So student, this is what delta by S minus A is the R1. Similarly, we can prove R2 equal to B by tan C by 2 tan A by 2. And also students, R3 we can prove that C by tan of A by 2 plus tan of B by 2. Okay, is it clear? So the small r1 is the A by tan B by 2 plus tan C by 2. R2 is the students B by tan B C by 2 plus tan A by 2. R3 is the students C upon tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2. Now the R1, R2, R3. This is the very important. What we observe students? The small r is 4r sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. But R1 is the students sin b by 2 remaining are cos. R3 is the students only sin c by 2 remaining are cos. But the small r is the students 4r sin a by 2 into sin of b by 2 into sin of c by 2. Is it clear, students? Now we can first we show that R1. So dear students, first of all we have to show that the R1 is there. What is there? 4R sin a by 2 into sin of b by 2 into sin of c by 2. Dear students, the 4R sin a by 2, what is the form sin a by 2? S minus b into s minus c upon bc. What is the sin of b by 2, dear students? The s minus c, s minus a upon ca. What is the sin of c by 2, students? S minus a into s minus b by upon a. Therefore this is root, this is root a into root b into root b, root of abc. So students, what is happening here? The sin, nothing. So students, here 4r sin a by 2. So the small mistake is there, students. Cos of b by 2, cos of c by 2. What is the cos b by 2, dear students? The s into s minus b by ca. What is the cos c by 2, students? S into s minus c by ab. So students, what we observed here? So s minus b, s into s is s square, square and under root cancel. Is there s minus b? Is there s minus c? S square, b square, c square. This is what? ABC. Okay, students. How to write this is 4r s into s minus b into s minus c. What is ABC? We have to know that delta equal to ABC by 4r. ABC is the students 4r delta. This is what? 4r delta is nothing but ABC is the 4r delta. So dear students, we are taking s minus a upon s minus a into and divided by. So students, what we observed here, 4r is cancelled. The numerator is s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. This is nothing but delta square. Is there delta into s minus a? This is what, students? Delta by s minus a is nothing but r1. Similarly, we can prove r2. 4r cos a by 2, sin b by 2, cos c by 2. r3 is the students 4r cos a by 2, cos b by 2, sin c by 2. These are the formulas of r1, r2, r3. Okay, students? Is it clear, students? What we observed first? R1 delta by s minus a, R2 delta by s minus b, R3 delta by s minus c. The next one, R1 s tan a by 2, s minus c cot b by 2, s minus b cot c by 2. Similarly, R2 s tan b by 2, s minus c cot a by 2. After that, s minus a cot c by 2. R3 is the students s tan c by 2, s minus a cot b by 2, s minus b cot a by 2. R1 is a tan b by 2, a by tan b by 2 plus tan c by 2. A is there, B, C are there. B is there, capital C, capital A there. And C is there here, capital A and capital B. The R3 equal to C upon tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2. Dear students, the R1 is 4R sin A by 2, cos B by 2, cos C by 2. This is what R2 is the 4R cos A by 2, sin B by 2, cos C by 2. R3 is the students 4R cos A by 2, cos B by 2, sin C by 2. But the small r is the students 4R all are sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. Okay, students, these are the very important formulas, students. Please by heart the formulas related to in circle and x circles. Please write down. The small r is the delta by s. The small r is the s minus a tan a by 2, s minus b tan b by 2, s minus c tan c by 2, and small r is the students a by cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2, b by cot c by 2 plus cot a by 2 equal to c by cot a by 2 plus cot b by 2. Finally, the small r is 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Okay students, now we are going to discuss about these are all students related to X circle. So before we discussed about the formulas about the in circle. Now students, the one more very important, r into r1 into r2 into r3 is the students delta square. What is the students? This is also very important. The small r into r1 into r2 into r3 is the delta square. So my dear students, this is the left hand side is there, r into r1 into r2 into r3. My dear student, this is what? Delta by s minus a, delta by s minus b, delta by s minus c. So student, this is the delta power 4 by s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Delta power 4 by delta square. This is what? Delta square is the students right hand side. So delta power 4 by delta square is the delta square. That is the one of the, this is also very important. R into R1 into R2 into R3. What is the students? Delta square. This is what? Delta square. Now the another one is the students. So my dear students, the prove that 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 equal to 1 by R. What is the students? 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 is the 1 by R. Now students, how can you prove this is? The left hand side is there, 1 by R1, 1 by R2, 1 by R3. This is the student, just now we prove that delta by s minus a. This is what students? Delta by s minus b. This is what students? Delta by s minus c. Dear students, the s minus a by delta. This is s minus b by delta. This is s minus c by delta. So students, s plus s plus s, 3s minus of a plus b plus c by delta. This is what student? 3s minus 2s by delta. The s by delta. Dear students, we can written as 1 by delta by s. This is what? 1 by r. So students, this is the right hand side, 1 by r. Okay students? Now students, so just now we prove that r into r1 into r2 into r3 is the delta square. Right now we saw that 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3 is the students 1 by r. So my dear students, right now I will take one more question. If delta equal to 6 square centimeters and dear students, s equal to 1.5 centimeters, then the small r equal to, this is what students? Right now we prove that delta by s. We know that the small r is the students delta by s. This is 6 by 1.5, 60 by 15. This is 9 centimeters. Okay students? What is the students? Sorry, 15 fours are. 15 fours are is the 60. Now students, now the question number 2. The perimeter of the triangle. What is the students? The perimeter of the triangle given that 12 centimeters. In radius, it is the very easiest one, students. Then find delta. Just now we find out, students, what is the formula of 2s. Perimeter is nothing but 2s, that is given that 12. So dear students, the s value is the 6 and one more is given that r equal to 1. Dear student, delta is the form rs. The small r is the delta by s. Delta equal to the students rs. R is the 1, s is the 6. Now 6 square centimeters. Now students, the another one is r into r2. What is the students is given that the question number third one. So r into r2 is given that r into r2 is the students r1 r3. Then angle b equal to, my dear students, what is given that r into r2. The small r is, we know that what is the small r, delta by s. r2 is the students delta by s minus b. This is what r1 is the delta by s minus a. This is s minus c. Dear students, the s minus c into s minus a upon s into s minus b equal to 1. This is what, students, if it is their root, undoubtedly this is the formula of half angle formula of tan of b by 2. Tan square you can take and when you can root, that is tan b by 2. Therefore tan square b by 2 equal to 1. So students, the tan of b by 2, root 1 is the 1. So 1 is the value of tan 45 degrees. Dear students, we can remove tan on both sides. Therefore students, b equal to 45 into 2, that is nothing but 90 degrees. Okay students, the angle b is the 90 degrees. Okay, after that students, now let us now discuss. This is now next question, students, what is there. So my dear students, the small s equal to 12 and the angle a equal to 90 degrees. Then find r1. So dear students, these are all based on to the formulas. Just now we discussed what is the students r1 is. It is a very important formula, s tan a by 2. r2 s tan b by 2. r3 s tan c by 2. Dear students, this is what 12 into tan 90 by 2 is the 45 degrees. Now student, this is 12 centimeters is the radius of the x circle. Okay students, now we will discuss the one more question is the students. So is there express sigma r1 cot of a by 2 in terms of s. What is the students? We will take the another question. Find sigma r1 cot a by 2 in terms of s. Dear students, just now we know that the sigma r1 is s tan a by 2 into cot a by 2. Similarly students, when you can remove the sigma s tan a by 2, s tan b by 2, cot b by 2, s tan c by 2, cot c by 2. Therefore cot is the reciprocal of tan. This is what 1 by tan a by 2. So tan cancel. Tan a by 2 into cot a by 2 is the 1. So is there sigma s. When you can remove the sigma, s plus s plus s is the 3s. This is what the sigma r1 cot a by 2 is the in terms of s. Now students, find the next one is the students, what we find r1 into 1. So we know that the small r is the delta by s. Small r is the students delta by s. Rs is the delta. So this is the r into r1 into cot a by 2. What is the students? That is a delta. So in a equilateral triangle, find the small r by capital R. What is the students? Now in a equilateral triangle, find the value of small r by capital R. My dear students, what we concerned here, ABC equilateral triangle means each angle is the 60 degrees. A equal to B equal to C is the 60 degrees. Now students, we have to find the small r by capital R. Small r is the students 4r into sin A by 2 into sin B by 2 into sin C by 2 upon big R. These two are cancelled. My dear students, the sin A by 2, 60 by 2, 30. Sin 30, 1 by 2. This is also 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. This is the students 4 by 8. What this value? 4 by 8 is the students 1 by 2. Okay. Now students, the one more question. In a equilateral triangle, find the small r by capital R. The small r is 4r sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. That is, each angle is the students in a equilateral triangle 60 degrees. Now students, I is the in center. What is the students? I is the in center and angle A equal to 60 degrees in a triangle ABC. Then find AI in terms of R. What students? Then find the AI in terms of R. So my dear students, what is given that here we are taking A, B, C. This is what? In center is the I. So my dear students, we have to know that in center means it is the point of intersection of the internal angular bisectors. Total is A is the 60, then it is the 30. What is that? This is R. We know that in center is equidistance to the sides. In center is equidistance to the sides. So students, what we observed here from the triangle. So from the triangle, my dear students, AMI sin 30 degrees equal to, what is the 30? Opposite side by hypotenuse is the AI. This is what students? 1 by 2 R by AI. So AI equal to R. AI equal to, what is the students? AI equal to 2R. Yes. Okay students, what is the AI? 2R. So dear students, today we discussed about in circle and X circle. In circle means if the circle touch the three sides internally, then it is said to be in circle. Suppose touch the externally, that is called X circle. So the in center is denoted by I and in radius is the small r. But the triangle has three X circles whose centers are denoted by I1, I2, I3, opposite to the A, B, C respectively, whose radii are denoted by R1, R2, R3. Okay students, right now the small r formulas are delta by S. R is the S minus A tan A by 2 into S minus B into tan B by 2 into S minus C into tan C by 2. And small r is the students A by cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2. And the small r is the 4r sin A by 2 into sin B by 2 into sin C by 2. So similarly students, R1, R2, R3 are the delta by S minus A, R2 is the delta by S minus B, R3 is the delta by S minus C, and R1 is the S tan A by 2, R2 is the S tan B by 2, R3 is the S tan C by 2, and R1 is the students A by tan B by 2 plus tan C by 2, R2 is the students B by tan C by 2 plus tan A by 2, R3 is the students C by tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2. Finally, the small R1 is the students 4R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. R2 is the student 4R sin cos A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. R3 is the students 4R cos A by 2 cos B by 2 into sin C by 2. But the small r is 4R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. All are sin, that is small r. Only sin A by 2, that is R1. Only sin B by 2, that is R2. Only sin C by 2, that is R3. Okay students? And R1 into R2 into R3 is the delta square, and 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 is the students 1 by R. This is the students related to the part 2 formulas. So students, please by heart these formulas. Okay, this is today. Thank you all.